How to fix Yahoo Mail login problem on an Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Yahoo Mail login problem on Android phone. First, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then go to Play Store and make sure your Yahoo Mail is updated. Now go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here click Yahoo Mail. Type Yahoo Mail and then click on it, and now click force stop. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click settings, clear data, and click OK, and that's it. Then just go back and try again and your problem will be fixed. Restart your phone and try again. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.